friends, welcome back to my channel. As you've seen in the intro, today I'm going to draw a giraffe but in different style. Friends, usually when I have seen these type of pictures on web, I'll be thinking, oh damn, we want to draw it in inverted style, but this time it's not happened, friends. I'm a big fan of John O'Dry. He's an artist who is doing super hyper realistic artworks with graphite, and I just want to give it a try on his style. And I found this picture on internet. As you can see, it will be a lot more messy than a normal graphite, but it is worth each and every minute you put into it. Friends, when I have seen this picture, I just want this drawing to be my best one yet, but it not happened. But don't worry friends, it's just a beginning. Friends, I didn't have much time. I just completed this artwork within 3.5 hours. It is a very less time as compared I took for a normal portrait, not even hyper-realistic portrait, because I'll be taking 4 hours for a normal portrait, but for this drawing I just took 3.5 hours. It is way more or less, but I'm so happy with the results for that time. Friends, as I said, this is just a beginning and I'll be doing lot more artworks like this in near future. And yeah friends, stay tuned for that. Friends, and if you are new to this channel and if you don't know who I am Vishwa, and I have been here for more than 8 months right now, and I'm doing regular videos. Weekly 3 videos will be uploaded on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Stay tuned on those days friends. And after watching this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and turn on the post notifications so you get a notification for my every videos, so you'll be never missing out my videos. Friends, I have already posted 131 videos, yeah, adding this to it. And if you haven't watched some of those, and if you are interested in watching those, just go and give it a try. It will be awesome my friends. It will be means a lot for me. Then friends, as you can see right now, I'm doing the head part. Actually I took more than 2 hours for the head part only, and for the remaining parts and for the highlights and final touches I took 1 hours. It's not a big time, but I'm happy with the results, and I'll be doing a lot more works in this style. Friends, actually I'm planning for a painting video with my friends, and the video might be uploaded on Wednesdays, so please stay tuned for that friends. And friends, as you can see right now, I'm drawing it, and it is 1:23 AM right now, and I'm recording it. I'm so sleepy and I want to go to bed as much as soon I can, because tomorrow I want to go 30 kilometers for that work, for planning that work. I'm so excited. And friends, here's the drawing. I'm giving the final details, and this is the drawing friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications so you get a notification from every video. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you in the next video. Bye.